Welcome back. In the last lecture, we introduced the concept of encapsulation and saw how the @property decorator could create a getter method. Now, we will complete the encapsulation process by adding a setter method, which allows us to control and validate how the attribute is modified. 1. Defining the property. We start by defining the getter method, which is named after the public attribute we want to expose, scorg. We apply the @property decorator to this method. Notice that inside the init method, we initialize the value to the private convention variable _score. Two, implementing the setter method. To enable setting the attribute using dot notation, we define a second method with the exact same name, score. We decorate this method with @score.setter. This ties the setter method to the existing getter. The setter method must accept two arguments, self and the new _score being assigned. Inside, we implement our core encapsulation purpose, validation. We ensure the score is within the valid range of 0 to 100 before updating the private attribute, or we raise an error. Three, testing the encapsulation. When we access student.score to read the value, the getter method is invisibly executed. When we use the assignment operator like student.score equals 95, the setter method is executed, validating the score before assignment. If we try to assign 150, the setter's validation logic catches the invalid value and raises the value error, protecting the object's integrity. To summarize, setters and getters using decorators provide controlled attribute access. Our next lecture 39.03, Delete Decorator. See you there.